What if I told you that the very routines keeping you organized and productive are quietly undermining your health from the inside out? And the worst part is, you probably have no idea it's happening. Today, I'm revealing 5 unhealthy habits that millions of people swear by. Habits that seem harmless, even healthy, but may actually be setting the stage for hormonal imbalance, inflammation, and long-term health problems, including a higher risk for chronic disease and certain cancers. Let's start with the first and most common culprit. Habit 1. Coffee too early. You wake up, head straight for the kitchen, and reach for that magical elixir of productivity, coffee. But here's what really happens inside your body. Your body naturally produces cortisol, the hormone that helps you wake up and feel alert. It peaks about 30 to 45 minutes after waking. When you drink coffee before that peak, you interfere with your body's natural rhythm, signaling it to rely on caffeine for energy instead of its built-in system. Over time, that can create dependence and disrupt your hormonal balance. And caffeine doesn't disappear quickly. It can linger in your system for 12 hours or more. Even if you stop by noon, caffeine can fragment your deep sleep, the time your body repairs DNA, restores immune balance, and removes damaged cells. Over time, that sleep loss can contribute to inflammation and reduce the body's ability to maintain healthy cellular function. The fix isn't quitting coffee, it's timing. Wait about 90 minutes after waking before your first cup. You'll still enjoy the boost without compromising your natural cortisol rhythm or your sleep quality. Habit 2. The over-sanitized lifestyle. Hand sanitizer, antibacterial soap, disinfectant wipes. We've been taught that killing every germ equals good hygiene, but your body actually depends on bacteria. Trillions of beneficial microbes living on your skin, in your gut, and even in your lungs. They digest food, regulate mood, strengthen immunity, and help protect you against infection and inflammation. When you constantly wipe out your microbiome with harsh chemicals, you removed the good bacteria along with the bad. That imbalance, called dysbiosis, weakens your immune defenses and increases inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation doesn't directly cause cancer, but it creates conditions that can make disease more likely to develop. Research shows that children raised in overly sanitized homes often have higher rates of allergies, asthma, and autoimmune issues because their immune systems never learn to recognize harmless microbes as safe. The solution is simple: plain soap and water. It works just as well without disrupting your natural defense system. Reserve antibacterial products for hospitals, illness, or high-risk environments. Habit 3. Constant information overload. Your phone might be the most powerful stress device ever invented. Endless notifications, social feeds, and breaking news alerts trigger your body's ancient fight-or-flight response. Your nervous system can't tell the difference between a real threat and a digital one. Each ping and headline releases cortisol and adrenaline. Over time, chronic stress impairs immune regulation, raises inflammation, and slows down the cellular repair that keeps DNA healthy. Those same processes are crucial for preventing long-term illness and reducing cancer risk. The fix is simple but powerful. Set digital boundaries. Avoid news and social media during the first 2 hours after waking and the last hour before bed. Give your brain time to reset so your body can stay calm and focused on healing. Habit 4. The optimization trap. We track everything: steps, calories, sleep scores, heart rate variability. Optimization feels responsible, but it can turn toxic. When every action becomes a data point, you create constant self-judgment and pressure to perform. That ongoing stress keeps cortisol high and prevents your body from entering true recovery mode. Long-term stress can impair mitochondrial efficiency, the small power plants inside your cells that control energy and repair. When mitochondria weaken, your cells can't renew and recover as effectively. This doesn't mean stress causes cancer, but it does interfere with the systems that protect you from cellular damage. The solution? Focus on consistency, not perfection. Sustainable routines matter more than flawless tracking. Listen to your body. not just your smartwatch. Habit 5. Shallow breathing. This one seems simple, but it silently affects your nervous system every minute of the day. Most adults breathe shallowly, only into the upper chest. That keeps the body in low-level fight or flight mode, raising heart rate, tightening muscles and increasing stress. When you breathe deeply into your belly, your diaphragm activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the body's rest and repair mode. That state supports hormone balance, immune function, and the body's natural repair and detoxification processes. Spend 5 minutes a day practicing diaphragmatic breathing. You'll lower stress hormones, improve focus, and support your body's natural healing response. Each of these habits, early coffee, over-sanitizing, digital overload, obsessive tracking, and shallow breathing, disrupts your body's natural balance. Together, they increase stress, raise inflammation, and interfere with cellular repair, the same biological pathways that over time can increase chronic disease risk, including cancer. But awareness changes everything. Once you see the pattern, you can begin to shift it. You don't need a radical overhaul, just small, consistent choices. Delay that first coffee. Wash with regular soap. Take screen breaks. Let go of perfection and breathe more deeply. Your daily routines hold incredible power. They can be your greatest ally or your quietest enemy. Every small shift you make lowers stress, restores balance, and strengthens your body's ability to defend itself. Health isn't built in hospitals. It's built in your habits. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-backed ways to protect your health and lower your long-term cancer risk.